everyone, this is Geeta Prasunda. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna make a video on how to draw a simple mandala art for beginners. In this video, I'm gonna tell you what is mandala art and show you a simple techniques to draw a mandala. So let's see the basic materials to start a mandala. A sheet of paper. You can use any kind of sheet, a sheet from your journal or a sketchbook. It's according to your convenience. I'm using an ivory sheet, a pencil, an eraser, a ruler, a compass with lead, a protractor. You can use either 180 degree or 360 degree, circle stencils if you need it, and a permanent marker. I'm using Sakura Micron pens. These are the basic materials. Let's now jump into the video. The very first question that arrives into everyone's mind is, what is mandala art? So let me tell you. The word mandala in Sanskrit means circle. Mandala is a spiritual and ritual symbol in Hinduism and Buddhism representing the universe. They generally have one identifiable center point from which emanates an array of symbols, shapes and forms. They contain both geometric and organic forms. Shapes with fillings. First, let's divide the sheet into 4. I'm making a center point. We have divided the sheet into 4 equal parts. Now, with the help of 180 degree protractor, I'm gonna make 18 equal divisions to the sheet to make a mandala. Now I'm gonna place this protractor in the center point and I'm gonna mark the points to make 4 divisions in this quarter. This way, I have given 20 degree gaps from 90 to 180 degree to get 4 equal divisions, the same way we're gonna do in the other 3 quarters. Now you can see I have made 18 points to get 18 equal divisions. Now we're gonna join these points to get a radial grid for our mandala. So these are our 18 equal divisions. These lines will act as guidelines for our mandala to make circles, shapes and patterns to our mandala. Use your compass to map circles emanating from the center. This creates a radial grid like this. Make a light line. Make a grid as complex as desired. That's it. This is the grid that we're gonna make different shapes and patterns to a mandala. I have connected my Micron pen to the compass to draw the circle. You can draw with freehand, but as this video is for beginners, I'm making it very simple for my beginners to make a perfect circle. All you have to do is just connect the pen that you're going to use it for mandala to your compass and draw a perfect circle like this. I have made the grid for our mandala. You don't have to worry, even the circle is not proper. We're gonna make even the messy ones to a perfect one by filling the grid with repeating shapes. Let's fill the grid with basic shapes like I've already shown you. If you are very new to drawing, or if you have a trouble in drawing with pen directly to a mandala, you can use pencil to draw outline like this, and then you can trace the pencil outline with your pen like this. Let's use all the basic shapes that we've seen already, or even if you have any idea of giving any different kind of shapes, you can experiment in this. Now let's draw a bigger size petal. Like this. Now let's fill this empty space between the petals. Our pointed pattern. into a leaf. We're gonna make a triangle and make this as center point, and from here to here, like this, like this. Now we are going to fill these triangles with diagonal lines this way. We're gonna make the opposite way in the outer part of the triangles, like this. I have given a thick border to these triangles, and now let's go to the next circle. Our mandala is almost over. We can give few more details to it, like this. I have done the detailings, few highlights and dark shadings, and yeah, it's done. Let's drop the guidelines. And yes, our simple mandala art is now ready. Hope you liked it. Catch you in next video. Till then, bye. Please do like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.